Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir, and Honorable Joseph Nand for the question regarding the Ellington Wharf in Rakiraki. I'm pleased to inform this August House that the timeline for the opening of Ellington Wharf in Rakiraki has been set for the 13th of December or thereafter. While the initial forecast was scheduled for a week earlier, a week has been allocated, allowing us to ensure the proper curing of concrete works on the jetty, complete the remaining safety aspects, including the jetty fender in compliance with themselves standards, carrying out rock armoring of the sites, clear the site and extend the seal with an upgraded pavement to the jetty head. Currently, all works on the superstructure of the jetty has been completed, with only final safety measures pending and the rock armoring of the sites to protect the road to be undertaken starting next week. Additionally, the Fiji Roads Authority has conducted significant roadworks on the existing seal from Kings Road to the end of the seal. The remaining unsealed section of the road leading to the jetty will be upgraded once all remaining works are finalized, ensuring the site is fully ready and safe for public use. Redevelopment will significantly enhance our transportation infrastructure along the wharf, once again service vessels effectively and serve as a vital and improved transportation hub for our people and seafarers in the Western Division, Honolulu and the wider maritime communities. We remain committed to providing reliable and efficient services to support our communities and facilitate economic growth and the movement of our people. Vinaka.